Vidlock makes it easy for you to monetize your video content by securely embedding your edited or live videos on your own website and providing access codes to sell or distribute however you like. Here's how it works. First, choose where you want to upload your video. You can use Vimeo, Boxcast, Daycast, or just about any service that allows embedding. Simply upload your video and copy the embed code. Now you're ready to create a vidlock. You need to create a new vidlock for each video you want to sell access to, but you can group vidlocks so you can sell access to multiple videos at once if that's what you want to do. Log in to vidlock.io, go to the Vidlocks tab, and create a new vidlock. Give it a name, choose a theme and a template, both of which are customizable, and we'll explore that later, and choose an access code group. If you create a new access code group, this vidlock becomes the only video in that group. If you add it to an existing group, it joins the videos already in that group, giving anyone with access to that group access to this new video as well. Finally, paste the embed code that you copied earlier from your video hosting service, in my case, Vimeo, and click Create. Now you see the overview page, which shows the stats of all of your vidlocks, allows you to edit existing ones, provides a demo access code for testing, and the secure vidlock embed code, so you can embed the video on your own website. This preview shows you what it'll look like once embedded. All your viewers will have to do is paste their unique access code, and they'll be able to see the video. Access codes are the unique codes that you sell to your customers, which grant them access to your content. You're effectively buying access codes from Vidlock and then reselling them however you like. Under the Access Codes tab, you can see the new group that I just created, and that it currently has 0 codes. Once generated, codes can be auto-renewed, and we'll come back to this setting in a moment. To generate codes, click on Access Codes, then Create Codes. You can choose how many access codes you want to create. Each code costs 1 credit, and you can see here how many credits you have in your account. Credits never expire, but access codes do. Each access code is valid for 30 days from when it's created, so it's important to only create as many codes as you think you'll sell right away. You can always go in and create more codes at any time, but once a code is created, it will expire in 30 days, whether it's used or not. Codes can, however, be renewed automatically and indefinitely every 30 days for 1 credit each. I'll create 10 codes, and now I have that list of codes, including usage statistics and their expiration date. From here, I can also move any number of codes to another group. To export these codes as an Excel file, just click Export. To purchase more credits, visit the Credits tab, where you can see your history of purchases and code creation, and buy additional credits from the Buy Credits button. 100 additional credits cost €10, so just 10 cents each. You can purchase up to 100,000 credits at a time. Going back to the Access Codes tab, you can enable or disable Auto Renew. With Auto Renew enabled, each code will automatically renew for 1 credit each when they expire, ensuring your customers will have ongoing access. If you're selling one-time access to your video content, then you'll want to disable this so the customer's code expires after 30 days. If, however, you're selling an ongoing subscription, then you'll want the codes to renew automatically. Also, codes can only be used on 1 device at a time, so you don't need to worry about your customers sharing the codes that you sell them. If a user forgets to log out though, and then wants to continue watching on another device, the Vidlock system will automatically log out of a session after 5 minutes of inactivity, so your customers will never be locked out. You can customize your viewer experience through the themes and text templates. Let's start with themes. Go to the Themes tab, click New Theme, and give it a name. You can customize the color of the background, the text, the lock, and every element on screen, as well as customizing the buttons themselves. Here's a few different themes I've already created. To customize or translate the text on this screen, go to the Text Templates tab. Click New Text Template, give it a name, then click Edit Labels. Here you can see all the different text fields your customers will potentially see, what their default text is, and of course you can change it to whatever you like. I'll change the access code field to say, enter the code sent by email. Now, if I go back to the Vidlocks tab, I can change the theme and the text template for that video. How you actually embed the code on your own website will will of course depend on the service you use, but essentially all websites allow you to embed custom code. To get the code, visit the Vidlocks tab and copy the Vidlock embed code. On your own website, paste that code into your editor. Here's what this Vidlock looks like on my own website. You can test this with your demo code so you don't waste a paid code, but I'll go ahead and use a paid code so you can see what the stats look like. I'll go grab one of my access codes, copy that, and paste it in here. And there, I have access to that video. Now if I go back to my access codes list and refresh that page, I'll see that the code has been used one time. And on the stats page, I see that one impression. Once you've created your codes, how do you actually sell and distribute them? Well, that's entirely up to you, but there are several services that make it easy. For example, one of the most elegant solutions is shoprocket.io. I've created a ShopRocket account and already created a product to sell. To distribute codes, I would use the license keys option and simply paste in the codes downloaded from Vidlock, like this. Now I can embed that store on my own website and sell directly. If you use WordPress, you can use the WC serial number plugin, or with Shopify, you can sell with the License Keys and Codes app, or you can distribute the codes manually if you prefer. How might you use this service? One of our customers sells access to live and replay yoga classes. With about 100 clients, her total cost is just €10 per month. Previously, she was paying 25 times that with the competition. Another client sells access to live streams of business conferences. While you might be able to sell 50 or 100 seats to in-person attendees, you can sell infinite seats online, opening up a whole new revenue stream for existing live events. Of course, you don't have to sell access. At such a low cost per access code, it's feasible to provide individual codes to private events such as school plays for family that can't attend in person. Online training, house of worship, charity events, the sky's the limit. Any online event, live or pre-recorded, where you want to control access can be managed through Vidlock. So now that you know how easy it is, try it out for yourself. The account is free to create and includes 100 free credits, so you can fully implement and test this without spending a penny. Visit vidlock.io and click register. Enter your information and get started right away.